Hey guys, this is another unboxing of the Vislla Bluetooth headset. This is, what does it say? 5.0 Hi-Fi Sports. Says on the back, binaural call, hands-free calling, high-quality sound, true wireless transmission, sweat-proof, 30 hours of playtime, voice assistant, adjustable ear hooks. So it has a sticker right here. Let me take my handy dandy knife, just kind of cut right down through there, and then we're gonna kind of unbox this bad whammer jammer. This pulls up, and inside the very first thing we see is Vislla, and it's in a pouch. Let's go ahead and open this and see what's inside of the pouch. We have headsets, and I can see that the batteries is already charged because of that green light. But right here's what we have. This is what they look like, guys. And on the back, let me turn them around this way. We have a left and a right, and these will fit in your ears kind of like so. And to turn these off and on, you'll push here on the little plastic part that says the brand name, and you should see there that turns it on. No, that turns it on when you see the red light and the blue light blink. That means it's looking to be paired. And I'm going to do that for the other side. And once you do that, you put these on, and then you go into your phone, your smartphone, either your Android phone or your iPhone. You go into Bluetooth, and this will show up in your settings as S7. And then there are no passwords, so you just connect to that. Now, let's say when the batteries get low, this right here is the charger. Actually, let's finish unboxing. This right here is a thank you card. And it says accessories. So I'm assuming there's accessories underneath here. There is a charging cable. It is a micro USB charging cable. There are different earplugs for the size of your ears. Not everybody's ears are the same, so if one doesn't fit you, you can change those ends. See down here, it looks like are the instructions. And instructions are very important, guys. A lot of people just throw them away, but this tells you how to completely work the headset. You know, it says you charge this for 2 hours, and you get anywhere from, like, it says you get 8 hours of uptime with these. And some of the things you can do, you can see, there's what it looks like when it's on Bluetooth. It says S7 will come up. But anyways, you can share these with a friend. Like, if you're watching a movie or listening to music, you can like give one of the earbuds to a friend, and you both can listen to music. You can put it in friend mode. You know, it has true stereo sound. These things, it's just really great. Bluetooth 5. See, charging time 2 hours. And then what I was going to show you earlier is with these, inside the pouch is this plastic piece. Don't try to take that out because that's made into the pouch. Whether some type of glue, I don't know, but it's made to stay in there. And you'll plug in the USB, the micro side, to there, and then the other regular USB side either into a wall or a computer, but you plug it into USB, and then you would plug in, see how these are just these are also magnetic, so when they go into place, they'll go just like that. And then, you know, you'll make sure these contacts meet these two contacts here. That's what I've done in the other case. And then it'll go on there. Then you plug this in and let it charge. This is showing that it's made contact. And when I plug it in, I plug it in my computer that's just off camera here. And once it's charging, you will see that it's going to start flashing. So guys, that has been the unboxing of the Vislla Bluetooth headset. And let me tell you guys, the sound to these are remarkable, and the features that these things do. Like I said, they're sweat proof. You can share them. You can share one with a friend. They feel comfortable in your ear. They don't fall off easy. The sound is just almost unmatched. I mean, this is a really good pair of headset. I would give them an 8.5 out of 10. And I will leave a link in the comment box of where you can pick these up or learn more information about them if you're interested, which I highly suggest you get a pair. Anyways, guys, that has been another unboxing and product review by Mr. Goody. Until next time, have a good day.